Welcome to Foxify Tutorials video by FoxEcom. Today, we're diving into a secret weapon for boosting your store's content creation. Create blog post templates with Foxify's Page Builder. Blog posts are a fantastic way to build trust and showcase your brand, but uniqueness is key. With Foxify, you can design blog posts that stand out from the crowd, craft visually appealing and engaging blog posts that grab attention. Streamline workflow, save time with pre-built templates, and focus on your content. Boost sales, strategically integrate upsell products for a seamless buying experience. You can use the timestamps to navigate through the video.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme and get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Let's get back to create your own blog post template that converts using Foxify Page Builder. First, we will create a blog post template. Foxify offers a library of stunning pre-made templates you can customize to your need. Or you can build your template from scratch for ultimate creative freedom. Give your template a name to distinguish it with other, and select a page layout. Now's your time to shine. Use Foxify's powerful editor to build a template that grabs attention with stunning images and clear formatting. Here we will craft a captivating hero section. Give it a clear headline followed by my blog content. Usually, for a blog post, we will craft it with a combination of text and image elements. You can also leverage Foxify's product sections or blocks to seamlessly showcase relevant products that complement your blog post content. For example, if your post discusses the trend of alphabet and motto motifs, you can use a featured collection section or hand-picked products section to highlight items that embody these styles. This allows customers to easily discover products that match the trends discussed in your post. The lookbook section is also a visually appealing way to showcase multiple products, allowing customers to interact with them and envision how they might fit into their own style. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, save and publish it to your storefront. Now it's time to use your blog post template for driving traffic and upselling like a boss. Navigate to the online store section, then select blog posts. Select your existing blog from the list or use the new blog post published by Foxify directly. For the blog post we've created before in Shopify, in the theme template setting, select the Foxify's blog post template you have just created from the drop-down menu. That's it. With Foxify, creating stunning and engaging content for your Shopify store is a breeze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Foxify tutorials to help you take your store to the next level. Thank you for watching.